What's up, ladies and gentlemen, everyone between Hooker here, and today I'm going to show you a really cool, quick trick on how to remove the main seal from the back of your engine. Now, this can go for any engine, but today we are working on the 2JZGTE for the Toyota Supra. Now, this is the part number for this main seal in the back. Here's the part number. Love to give that out to you guys. So let's say you can't get the seal out. Don't use a flathead because you can damage the housing, right? That's really, really bad. What I want you to do is get a little drill and drill a tiny little hole into it. But don't go too deep. Just enough that you can take a screw and screw it in there, right? Now, once you do that, you should be able to... Now, you want to drill 2 holes. That way, you can go on this side and that side. All right, so... this side seems to be stuck in. I've already done this, but I figured, because this is what I always do to remove these seals, so I figured I'd show you guys. It could be really, really, really difficult to get out. Do I have any tools around me to get this out? I'm working on putting my engine back into my car. Oop, almost knocked over my beer. That would have been really disappointing. But anyways, oh, it's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm spending it with my car because, you know, super life. Super life. All right. So. I don't know if you guys were able to see that, but literally, I just pulled this out because of this. And yeah, like I said, this is what's behind the engine, so you just don't want to go too deep. As you can see, I went a little deep there. Just a little right there. That's why you don't want to go too deep. You can do some damage. So, cool. That's done. Now it's the time to put the replacement seal in. And a good little tip when you're putting these seals back in, if you put a little bit of grease, high temperature grease on them, on the outside, it makes this process a lot easier to put this back in. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, please slap that like button. Share this video to your fellow friends working on cars. And remember to subscribe to my channel. It really, really helps. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you guys later. Later, guys.